Now I would like to call on stage advisor to the President's School, Mrs. Samira Javed.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Before I share what I have to, I would like to request that please give them a big round of applause because it takes a lot of courage to come here and say or share. Thank you very much, children. You have done a wonderful job. A few months back, I was given an article. I read it, and trust me, every word reflected the deep passion that the child or the writer had. I'm honored to welcome a young, inspiring leader. Nothing is impossible if you are focused, set your goals high, and remain committed. And then you can pursue your dreams and achieve whatever you want. Mr. Faizan Aslam Soofi is a writer and educator from Lahore. He graduated from the Cambridge University with a bachelor's in English literature. And after that, he decided to come back to Pakistan. And only a person who has that connection, commitment, can do it after graduating from UK University. So he came back and he thought that he needs to make a difference and joined Teach for Pakistan. He is included amongst the youngest writers of the world because he was only 10 years. I don't know how did he do it, but he was only 10 years old when his book was published. So he's the youngest writer in the world, amongst the youngest writers. And his selected parts, and they have been placed in very prestigious libraries in the world.